Hi, Antonio here with Bulgarian.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pair your Android device, whether it's a tablet or a phone, to the slider. I'm going to show you how to connect to the slider, and I'm also going to show you how to set up for a time lapse, okay? So here we go. The very first thing that you are going to do is to make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on in your device. So you are going to go into Settings. As you can see right here, Settings. You're going to go to Bluetooth. And in this case, you can see it's on right there. And then what you are going to do is turn on the slider. You have to be careful because the slider will have the last settings that you inputted the last time you used it. So just to be safe, I'm going to start it in the center in case it was lap video slider mode. Okay, so I'm going to leave it right there. Now the slider is on. And what I'm going to do here is to go ahead and search for the Bluetooth inside the slider. And it just found it right there. In some phones or some devices, you go into Settings. You make sure that the Bluetooth is on, as I said before. And in this case, you hit Scan. It's already scanning and it found it right there. Now, I'm going to click on that. Now, the password to the Bluetooth is 1234. And so I'm not going to go ahead. Oh, okay, I'm going to go ahead and do it and hit OK. Now you see right here it says paired right there. Now this phone is paired to the slider. If I want to use this tablet instead of the phone, I have to unpair this phone. So I'm going to hit the little gear there and I'm going to hit unpair. And so it's now unpaired. Now what I'm going to do over here in this tablet is going to hit that Bluetooth is right here and I'm going to pair the tablet to that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and hit OK. Okay, now this tablet is paired with a slider. So what I'm going to do now is go to the slider. I'm going to hit Bluetooth Connect. Select your Bluetooth. Here it is right here. And as you can see, the green means that I am paired with it. Now, I'm going to go to photo time lapse. And so now what we're going to do, we're going to set the duration of our time lapse. In this case, so we can see it move, I want to set it really short so we can see this move. Now the steps that it actually takes, you have the ability to choose between 1/32 of an inch, 1/16, 1/8, or 1/4. That means that every time it takes that step, it's going to move either 1/32, 1/16, 1/8, or 1/4. I'm going to go ahead and set it to 1/8 right here so we can see it move. The duration is how long of a time lapse you're going to be doing. Once again, I'm going to do it really short so we can see it move. You see, it's 20. I'm trying to set it to 10 seconds. There we go. Okay, so as you can see right here, the duration is 40 minutes. That's how long it's going to be. The step is 1/8 of an inch. In the interval, that means the time between each step is set at 10 seconds. Now, because we're using an external intervalometer, we need to make sure that the intervalometer interval is set to the same as it is on the app. The app is 10 seconds, so I have already set this one up to 10 seconds, as you can see right there. Now, do keep in mind that the settings that we already made here are already in the slider. So if I turn off the application, this is already set to do what it's going to do. It's going to take a step, and I'm going to wait a couple of seconds and then start the intervalometer. 1, 2, and I just started it. Now that means that it's going to take a picture in between steps. There it goes. There, it took a picture. So that's what you want to do. Regardless of whether you choose 1/8, 1/16, 1/32, or 1/4, and basically that's it. So what we're going to do now in the next video, we're going to go ahead and go outside and actually shoot this time lapse that we just set up right here, the way we set it up. And then we'll do another one where we'll have the settings a little different than they are here, okay? So we can see what it looks like. So that's it for now, and I will see you when we shoot this outside, okay? Thank you very much.